welcome to our channel Carlo&Seb. Before to do the unboxing of this new Louis Vuitton item, I just want to share with you why we did it. So if you remember good, the last weekend was the San Valentine Day. So with Carlo we went in Las Vegas to enjoy like 3 days. It was really amazing, and of course there you have a lot of Louis Vuitton stores, so we decided to buy something there. So let's go! So look at this nice presentation. I really like it. It's all the time the same with the orange box. You have the blue ribbon like that. And let's go. Look at that. We decided to buy the large size of the perfume of California Dream. So it's the 6.8 FLOs or 200 milliliters. We tried it before in sample, and we were like we fall in love about this perfume. So we waited like probably like 2 to 3 months to buy it, and we were really happy. So yeah. So look at this box, it's just amazing. I like the colors, it's like really like summer. So we are already preparing ourselves for enjoy this perfume with the hot temperature of California. And so let's go for opening more and show you the bottle. Look at that. You have the LV on the top, and it's really a big case, like a bottle case in paper and carton. And when you open it, look at the presentation of that. You have always the LV on the top. It's a magnetic one, so easy to put it again. And it's really a big size of the bottle, so you have it like I think like for 3 years. And the good things we did with Carlo is we added our signature, so we put the C and S for Carlo&Seb. We tried to do the N like on our channel, but it was not available, so yeah. So it's really a nice perfume. I really invite you to ask to have a sample in the stores. And yeah, it's like for the whole day you can smell it. It's like lighter too. It's not giving you like too much strong perfume, and it's really for men or women. So it's like unisex. It's made in France, of course, so I like it. It's like a souvenir of my country too. And yeah, so I really invite you to try it, and yeah, to buy it, of course, if you really like it. So thank you for watching this video. Like always, don't forget to subscribe on our channel, to put a like, and yeah, we will see you in the new video. Bye bye.